walking to our mother's place.
I use American accent.
We are walking to our mother's place. But yeah, guys. But yeah, guys.
That's it's American.
Okay.
Just don't speak.
They told me not to speak anymore. So I will just stop talking. Ooh, y'all, I look good. Oh, I forgot. More fine.
And then you have your iPad. If they smart, they will.
God forbid, don't let my jet. So we're in my mom's house. How was your amala?
Let's go to their lounge in the back.
How was your amala? Oh, you didn't get amala?
It was not my I went to church. Oh my gosh, the choir on a weekday. It was so good. They sound like angels. They had every part. You hear the bed, you hear the alto, you hear the soprano, and then the percussion was just gentle in the back, and they were just sounding so angelic. I don't really feel the spirit of God.
Oh, don't! I'm not posting that part.
I didn't even hear what I said. I didn't even mention the place, but it was good. It was good choir music. How was it? I think I would have done.
Yeah, they put us to work. We had to like put money in the envelope and stuff so we can send it to the hunger.
Yeah, they sure did put us to work, and then she tried to convince us to go to the fellowship. Nah, we wasn't
If
going.
you got the secretary, you got like, girl, I said I would answer.
Mommy, say hi to my vlog. Hi. So I'm with my mom today, guys. I'm so excited to be with her, and right now we're watching a movie. And yeah, she fed me amala. It was so good, and we're probably gonna go to the beach tonight. But yes, guys, that's about it. My dad is eating. Nothing, I'm recording. Nothing, I'm recording.
You are recording me?
Yeah.
Do you give me? Deborah,
It's for my YouTube video.
TikTok.
You're gonna see yourself on my YouTube video. Anyways, guys. Oh, we just got to the beach and already somebody tried to sell us Molly. I don't even know how I feel about that. That ain't I'm so shocked because that ain't never happened to me in America. So what's going on here? Why y'all doing that here, guys?
I just like it.
But we just in a parking lot. I'm gonna show y'all once we get to the beach itself. Hi guys. Guys, we made it to the beach. I know that's right, Sister Liz. You better eat him up with the catwalk. Guys, I'm leaving the beach. We're gonna come back tomorrow. How did you feel about the beach?
It was good.
Those crabs actually almost shot. What you mean? I can't talk about a crab. You always got something to say after Elizabeth. And it ain't ever nice.
You always want to put out something negative.
Okay. So guys, we're down. We're walking to our place. I don't even play with cars like that. And if somebody want to hit me, I'll beat them up.
In Lagos.
I like your confidence.
Because we are females. Because we are females.
They didn't want to open the gates for us.
Can you imagine? Can you imagine? Do they know who I am?
Not the bad voice.
Oh, okay.
I thought it was
You don't know who I am.
Good, yeah.
put your back away.
Sorry? Oh, okay.
You have to watch it.
Yeah, I'm gonna wear it. Here? Oh, that's crazy. Hold this, please. You wanna beat me up?
So you don't lose it and then.
So yes, guys, we're at the beach. Do what?
Just get right in front of me.
This is my fit, y'all. Oh, y'all take a picture of me. Hey! Can y'all take a picture of me now? Can y'all take my picture? I'm looking good. Can y'all take my picture? Yeah.
You doing video?
Yes.
I hope it's no white gas though.
Y'all want my picture? We standing around now. Why not? I like the trees. They just don't know. Hold on. We're about to go inside the water. We're gonna do an obstacle course. I'm scared. How you feeling?
Nervous?
You're nervous?
Wow.
God forbid. You nervous? Ooh, it do smell like weed. Y'all nervous? Oh, y'all not even going in. You nervous?
Absolutely not. I got this.
We got Jesus on our side.
I got this. I'm a win.
How you feeling? This thing came down. I've given up on my hair.
This one I better do with I know they're crying, they cover my face, calling me Biggie man, baby, what's it go? You are go, all the men, they catch up, right? And if it, like or not, what's it go? You are go, all the men, they catch up, right? I know it, right or not. Make you do say anything when you do, them must go. Anything when they do, they like to do plenty survive me. Just to make your money. From the people then go say I know one buy, I know one die, I know one women. I want enjoy, I want jump life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want the what's it go? All the men, they can right. When it comes to money, I get concentrate. Because I tell you straight, you are not my mate. If you become a shit, I'll be here to stay. But now people then go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one baby, I want enjoy, I want your life,
Stop playing. Hey, Itala wa Shaman Bushi lo. To ba mo Jaka Jayesi Olon. I swear to God, Itala wa. We celebrating greatness here. I swear to God. Everybody that you see, give us 2 years, we go blue. I swear to God.
one love, bro.
In less than 2 years, everybody where you see here, our name go be all over the globe.
Save this video for the next 2 years, okay?
No.
I
swear. You go on Nick Power one and if you let me show up. Hey, man.
Big solo.
Ọlọ́run kò ní bàjẹ́, ẹ̀yin ọmọ ìyá mi, I swear to God.
Olúwa Biggie.
Olúwa tó
Birthday boy. Tiny, one and only. Black Diamond.
Listen. Some of us are white.
My one and only Omo Ibu. Stop playing.
I love you.
Wow.
Sick, man. Go there, everybody tantalize Boboa.
Guys, we should play a game for my YouTube video.
Oppress.
What game y'all want to play?
Oppress, not tantalize. Sorry. Let's play. Go there, everybody and oppress.
Okay, what game?
It's just showing you.
Yeah.
What game y'all wanna play? It's so cold here.
It's not cool.
I'm not cold, but like it feels good.
Like the music.
It feels good.
Yeah, sure. Cheers.
What game y'all wanna play?
Guys,
Guys, let's go to the ocean.
Ocean.
Let's play mini money move.
It's your cool.
Yeah, got die here for Father has a donkey. Asala. Come on. I like
One time.
I got many disciples. Oh,
So guys, this is the end of beach day. I'm here with my cousin, Sister Faith. And then I'm here with my other cousin. Ooh, did I get makeup on? Oh, no, I didn't. But yes, guys, it's the end of beach day and I'm tired. And I'm ready to go home. Ready to go back to America, in fact.
Say hi.
Oh,
Say hi.
you bougie. But yes, guys. I'm gonna end it here. We gotta go out today. We're going to a club or a party, wherever we're going, wherever the night takes us. That's where we're going. Wherever the night takes us, we're going. Show them how you look, cause you look good. I want you to show them.
Let me turn the light on because I can't really see nothing for real. Oh wow. It gave. Earrings, fleek.
Just be eating them up. Just be. I want down. But yes, guys,
Is it because of the
we're about to be eating.
No, they're not ready.
So guys, we came out to dinner. I can't even show y'all because they got a picture restriction. But I'm out and I'm at dinner. I just hope you guys enjoy this whole entire vlog. This is like my last day here, and I look good. I'm sorry, y'all. Entertaining, but it's over now. Ring my bell. Ring my bell. This on the house, right? This on the house? Oh, okay. Period. You have extra bags. Replacing you guys, so we're going out to brunch.
Alright.
You're excited to go to brunch?
I'm famished. I could eat.
Yes.
Check me out, check me out, check me out, check me out.
Oh, okay. I know that's right. So hey guys, so we're at the brunch place and everybody's eating their food. This is my drink. Pictures coming soon. I've been killing everybody back to back, and I think this is the last time I took pictures. I just look good. So how was the trip?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10, period. I loved it. I come again, y'all. I come again any other time. Real. Get in, tell them how you enjoy Nigeria.
It was good.
I know that's right, exactly. It was a good trip, you know what I'm saying? Just chilling with my family and friends and loved ones, and it was just fun. So, yeah, it was a 10 out of 10. I'll